Hello to my lovely Peppa Pig readers. Welcome back. Today I brought you Peppa's Storytime House books. Let's read a book. We read Daddy Pig, we read Mommy Pig, and we read George and Peppa. So today we can read these four. I like to say Peppa says please. It's a nice word, please. Okay, let's read. Please, may I have an apple? Asked Peppa. Of course you can, Peppa, says Mommy Pig. Peppa is visiting the library. Miss Rabbit, says Peppa, please can you show me where the red monkey books are? That was polite, Peppa, says Miss Rabbit. Miss Rabbit likes helping people who says please. Peppa likes going to the supermarket. Please, can we go in? Asks Peppa. Yes, replies Daddy Pig. Would you like to choose some vegetables? Yes, please, says Peppa. At playgroup, everyone wants to sing a song. What's the magic word, children? Asked Madame Gazelle. Please, cheer Peppa and her friends. Now they can all sing together. Peppa thinks bath time with George is fun. George, says Peppa, please can you pass me the rubber duck? Hey, says George, passing the duck. The best thing about saying please is that it makes everyone feel good. Peppa loves saying please. Everyone loves saying please. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.